This 36-inch 17 gu age 64 feeder double jersey rib knitting machine is our new model in 2023. From the video, we can see that it runs stably. If you put a bottle of water on it, you can see that there is no wave. We have also upgraded the knitting kit, adopting zirconium yarn guide, using Archimedes knob on the saddle accurately aluminum chem box, and using special alloy rigid materials for the syringe. All the processes are precisely processed by CNC machine, with high manufacturing accuracy and durability. It not only improves the stability of the equipment, but also ensures the smooth running and high output, and the fabric quality is more guaranteed. This machine is also equipped with a central stitch control system that can raise or lower the side length. Here to correct the levelness of the lower cylinder and the horizontal height of the cylinder needle. This machine adopts a new control panel which can switch for languages. And the operation is simple and easy to understand. We can set it in the language you want according to your need. The hollowed-out design of the electric cabinet and the fuel injection cabinet can not only better dissipate heat, but also make the machine more beautiful. The appearance of the machine is painted with high-grade car-baked paint and advanced surface treatment technology, which makes the texture smooth, easy to wipe and clean, and keeps the appearance beautiful.